I'm going to show you a simple trick for cover stitching thick layers. I'm going to top stitch down overlocked seams on my cardigan bands. The fabric is very thick cable knit and I'm cover stitching over quite a few joints as well. You might want to know why cover stitch it at all, why bother? The bands as they are will not lay flat. Parts of the front band is also interfaced with quite heavy interfacing as I'm inserting snaps there. Top stitching will make the seams lay flat and will give your garment far more professional look. Just to prove how thick the layers are, I'm going to show you that they don't even get under my foot. We need to have fabric under the foot to start cover stitching, so here is a simple trick. Take a scrap of fabric, fold it forming a wedge, so in my case 3 layers of fabric to start with and 4 layers later. Our starter doesn't need to be pretty, so even wonky stitches at the beginning won't matter. Put your wedge under the foot and sew. When you are close to the end of the starter piece, place your project under the foot, and as the foot is already raised, you'll have no problem with the fabric getting under it. Keep on cover stitching your band as you would normally. Just a few extra tips. When you cover stitch thick fabric, lengthen your stitch. Use bigger needle size, so at least 80 or 90. When you sew over joints, guide your project so that you move it a bit to your left to make sure the stitches are straight there. Press your seam allowances to one side, the side you are cover stitching, and try to cover stitch with all needles going through the same amount of fabric. You can use a compensation foot if your layers vary, but not all machines have them. Guide your fabric and use your right index finger to constantly check if the seam allowances are folded under. Don't push or pull your fabric and go very slowly, trying to be super precise. The front band is almost finished. Because the seams are now much flatter, I will have fewer problems with cover stitching my waistband. In this cardigan, the waistband needs to be cover stitched starting from beyond the front band. I'm not starting from the edge, so I need to be able to actually place my garment under the foot of the machine. But my front band looks like that. The seams are flat, and it looks really professional. I can now cut off my starter. It's a saddle sleeve cardigan, so there are quite a few curves and we had quite a few bulky joint seams. The waistband in this cardigan is going to be easier to cover stitch, as there are no curves and fewer seams intersections. Putting it under the foot requires some wiggling, but the flattened seam of the front band makes it possible. It's always a good idea to press every seam. In our case, it will also make the seam allowances flatter. Of course, you can also flatten the seams, squeezing them with your fingers, or even hammer them down. But this seam is not extremely difficult. Just guide it gently, making sure the seam allowances are in the direction of the bodice. Use your right index finger to check it. You can also use your finger to like this video. Any finger will do. The cardigan is now done. My machine locks the stitches. If you want to know how to finish stitches on a domestic cover stitch, I have a separate video showing that for domestic Juki and Babylock cover stitch machines. But it works for all cover stitches, also industrial ones without stitch locking. The cover stitch seams look perfect, flat and beautifully covered. Last thing for me to do is to trim any little tails at the beginning and at the end of the cover stitching. As I'm making another almost identical cardigan, I'm going to show you the process again. You can see how floppy the thick seams are. Nothing is flat, the bands are turning towards the bodice, even after pressing. They will definitely benefit by being cover stitched. As all the processes you are going to see are identical, I'm not going to explain things again. Let me know in the comments below the video if you prefer these tutorials with or without explanation.